Hey Nene, it's Macy and Nathan. I set aside this time this morning to do a video for you, and Nathan got a little fussy, so he's decided he's going to be in the video too. Just wanted to say congratulations on 35 years. I can't wait to get off that plane on May the 11th and see you guys. It's really hard to talk about Miss Nina the dance teacher instead of my mom, but the one thing that I will say is that it was always a privilege and an honor and so much fun to be the dance teacher's daughter. If anyone ever asked me, are you Miss Nina's daughter? I never hesitated to, with a huge smile on my face, say yes, because I knew what that meant to people. That meant you're the daughter of a lady who's changed so many lives, who's so much fun, so creative, and has just given so much to the community. Thank you so much for being my dance teacher, for being my mom, for being Nathan's grandmom. And if Bradley were not at school right now, I'm sure he would say he loves you. And we can't wait to see you at the dance recital. So dance your tutus off, don't be a pickle person, and the show must go on. Let's go.